Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Sean and you guys are watching NOVATazz Customs. Today, hopefully we send this thing. Alright, to start today's vlog, as of the last video, we had the transmission back together and we're ready to put fluids in it and get this thing up and running. So without further ado, when I come back, we'll have the transmission back up together. It's just a filter and some things. And hopefully we will be putting the exhaust back on this, which is sitting down here on the ground. Now it is a pipes. We will have this back down on the ground with the exhaust on it. Or we will put up, actually probably fill some of the exhaust going up in it. But first things first, I want to get this pan back together, and then we'll start putting the exhaust on. Alright guys, we're going to start laying the exhaust underneath the car. And this is complete. Header back from pipes, 2.5-inch stainless steel with their Street Pro mufflers. Alright, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put some of this Lucas in there because of all the clutch pack dust that I saw. I just want a insurance policy kind of thing. So we're going to put a container of Lucas in here. Now this stuff is thick as can be. And the rest we're going to fill up with just regular transmission fluid. Alright, we'll start with there. That's about 2 quarts. So there should be about 3 quarts of fluid in this transmission right now. And we'll fire it up and check it. Recording ready? Alright, let's fire it up. See where we're at. Alright, so as you just saw, for you guys only a split second ago, for us it was a little while ago, the car does shift the way it is supposed to. We do need to fill it up with transmission fluid, that's why it was hesitating before it would go. But the issue we ran into with putting in the rest of the exhaust is these mufflers have the wrong offset. In fact, I need no offset at all. The intake, the in and the out both need to be in the same place, whether it's in the center or off to the one side. So we went out and we had 2 pieces of straight pipe made to fit exactly where these ones were. So this car will be straight piped and should be badass. Should be loud as hell. But let's get this exhaust back up on and get this car back down on the ground with a special set of tires. Alright, we'll be back. there you have it. She runs, she drives, she did a fucking burnout. I called today a freaking success. Happy 4th of July, all. By the way, if you would like one of my merchandise, everything in my Teespring account is $5 off with the promo code America. That's America without the A. But she still has issues. Got some things we have to work out. It died on me right after the burnout, and we had to get it jump started to get it back up here. So it definitely needs a battery. There's something wrong with the power steering, and a few other odds and ends that we still need to work on to get this thing ready for inspection. But the two big things are fixed. It starts, it runs, and the transmission works the way it's supposed to. So until next time, have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.